Hi engineering students, in this video I'm going to walk you guys through step by step how to set up your Autodesk account. This is the account that you will use in order to log in to Fusion 360 and be able to participate in all of the AutoCAD projects that we will be completing this school year. So the first thing that you're going to want to do in a new Chrome browser, you need to go to autodesk.com/education. Again, that's autodesk.com/education. All right, so once you're there, here's what it looks like. Let me move my screen over here. All right, and we're going to click Get Products. We're not actually installing any products because Fusion 360 is already installed on your device as well as the lab devices. What we need to do is get our accounts set up. So we'll just click on this Get It Now. This is the EDU Institution Lab install since we're an educational group. So we do not already have an account. We need to go ahead and create an account. And it's really important that you guys take the time and make sure all of this information is correct. So the country, United States. Your educational role is a student. The institution type, high school or secondary. And then your date of birth. The only reason they ask this is so that so we can verify that you are 13 years or older. The free educational licenses are for students that are older than 13. Okay, from here you'll need to type in your information. Now, again, first name, last name. Your email is your first name dot last name at stu.carroll.kyschools.us. I'm going to paste that here. And then you'll need to create a unique password. And then agree to the terms of use, and we'll create an account. All right, now here is where Autodesk asks that we verify this is an actual email, this is not like a robot. So before you can do anything else, we are going to have to navigate over to your student email for Carroll County Schools and verify this email. So here's what you'll need to do. Open a new tab, and we're going to go to Carroll County Links. You should have that icon on your bookmarks bar. Go ahead and click Staff and Student Email. And you'll need to log in. Your login, again, your email is first name dot last name at stu.carroll.kyschools. Your password should be the first two letters of your first name. So if your name's Molly, it'd be M-O. And then your birthday, okay? Here's the email, verify your Autodesk account. I'll go ahead and click verify email. My email has now been verified. So I'll click done. And then a few more steps here. So name of educational institution. This part is really, really important. So I need you guys to pay attention to this. You'll go ahead and start typing Carroll County, and notice that you've got some options that pop up when you're typing this. Okay, so Carroll County High School in Carrollton, Kentucky. Please make sure you choose that. There is another option for Carroll County Area Technology Center. Please do not select that. Your account will not be verified and you will not be able to access. You have to pick Carroll County High School in Carrollton, Kentucky. So go ahead and click on that one. For area of study, you can just put product design, manufacturing, because we're going to be designing lots of different solutions to problems. Enrolled from. This is going to depend on how old you are and what grade you're in. So if you're a freshman, go ahead and put July of this year, of 2020. through May of 2024. If you're a sophomore, you can put July 2019 to 2023. Junior would be July 2018 to 2022. And then senior would be 2017 to 2021. So go ahead and click next. And it says your account is now updated to access the Autodesk educational community. So we're going to go ahead and click continue from here. All right. Okay. So it takes us to this page, and this is kind of like your last step to make sure everything is accurate as far as your information. So really make sure that this is correct before moving on. Looks like my email is correct. First name, last name look great. The name of your educational institution is correct. I have my date of birth on there as well. You can go ahead and click verify. Okay, so if it takes you to this page, this is where you will need to get Mr. Blyton to help you upload the correct documentation. So I would pause the video right here and have him help you upload this letter that you belong to the qualified educational institution, and then you'll have full access. Once Mr. Blyton has uploaded the letter for you, it shouldn't take too long for your verification to be completed. I would say 20 to 30 minutes tops. You can go ahead and begin working on your Fusion assignments. You'll just be working in a trial account. You can have a free trial account up to 30 days and still have access to all of the features of Fusion 360. So at this point, if some of you may get this information, this additional documentation needed, I have went ahead and sent the same letter that Mr. Blyton will be uploading for you, and so some of you may already have, may not get this verification screen, but some of you might, and I can't tell you who will and who won't. But regardless, you can go ahead and start using the trial version until the full version has been verified for you. So until your account is verified, like I said, you can still go ahead and continue with Fusion. You'll just be on a trial version. So you'll go ahead and open Autodesk Fusion 360. The icon on your desktop looks like this. And we are going to log in using your email. And it's going to take just a little bit. The first time when you log in, it's going to be a little bit slower, but that's okay. I just want to show you that you do still have access, and you'll still be able to participate and complete your assignments. Okay, so now that it's here, it's going to ask you to take a tour if you'd like, or refer a friend. We're not going to refer anyone today. Go ahead and tell it okay. And now you're able to start working in Autodesk Fusion 360. Now, one thing I do want to show you and point out, up top here, until your account's verified, it will say trial ends in 30 days. And then if it's verified, it'll just say like educational license right there. But over here, this little orange subscribe now is going to show up. Do not click that. Do not do anything with it. It's going to take you to a screen where it's going to ask you to pay for an account. And you have a free account as a student, so you do not need to do either of those things. All right, so at this point, you guys are ready to go, and you can go ahead and start on your Fusion assignments. Have a great day.